Hi and welcome to this video about Web 3.0. In this video I'm going to talk about what impact the Web 3.0 movement will have on web design and app development, and I'll try to give some examples on how you can use it as a small business or a web designer. My name is Chris. Thank you for watching. So to start off, I just wanted to take a quick look at what Web 2.0 is. We are standing on the end of the Web 2.0 era, and it started a few years ago, or about 2005. It's hard to really set a specific date, but as you can see, I've opened up Apple's website because this is a great example of what Web 2.0 is. Design-wise, website, the top menu bar here is a important thing of the Web 2.0 movement, and one of the other things that really impacted Web 2.0 was the social integration of the web and the websites. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all these great social medias was a big part of, or is a big part of Web 2.0, and also the higher amount of interactivity on the websites was a foundation for the Web 2.0 movement. So what is Web 3.0 and how can you use it? Number one, chunky bold design. As I see it, the design in Web 2.0 was a lot of gradients and a lot of drop shadows and more 3D type of design. And I think in Web 3.0 we'll see a lot of simpler design. Less is more is a great way to describe it, and cleaner designs, more bigger buttons, bigger type, and simpler design, which really focuses on the content of the website instead of the graphical design. Number 2 on my list is user experience. We've talked a lot about it, and it's there's a lot on the net about user experiences and user interface design and so on, and I think we'll see a lot more of this in Web 3.0. The user experience and the user's needs will be more in focus on in the Web 3.0. So this is great because a lot of web pages today focus on what the company or the website owner has as an agenda and their goals and needs, and I think in the future we'll see a lot more websites focusing on the user's needs. Number 3, social values. I think the social web is here to stay, and of course the greatest part of the web is connecting people, connecting us to each other, and I think we'll see more about more of this. But in the sense that instead of building a website or building a service on the net and then integrating the social experience or the social features, we will see a lot more services or websites built on the social values and the social experience, and yeah, starting with the social features of a website, and then building onto it the features and the services that you want and your user need. Number 4, augmented reality is a buzzword on the net, and I think we'll see a lot more of this in the future. Google is already doing great things with this, with their Google Glasses, which should hit the stores in the end of 2012. And Google Glasses is a sort of glasses you put on, and you see the world as if you saw it through your smartphone camera, and this way they will be able to overlay different information about things you see. You know, you'll be able to zoom in on things. You'll be able to see contact information about a store you are looking at, or you will be able to see information about the things you see around you. And there's a lot of possibilities in this, and there's a lot of examples already on the net of augmented reality, and I think this will be a area that will expand rapidly in Web 3.0. Number 5, personal customization. We've seen it to some degree in Web 2.0, and I think we'll see it further expand in Web 3.0, where you personally customize your web experience. You know, your website, the website you are visiting. You will be able to add or remove features, and the website will be able to remember your settings, so you'll get your personal experience and a customized experience on the website. Number 6, more clouds, and I'm not a pessimist and thinking about rainy days, but thinking about, you know, Apple's iCloud, Microsoft's SkyDrive, and so on. We have seen it already take effect, and I think with things like Google Chromebook, we'll see this even more and have a greater effect on the way we do things. And I also think that, you know, the cloud will be a fundament for your files and the data you bring around with you, and it will get used in different ways, in different you know, in smartphones, in notebooks, and in different apps. So your data will be the foundation of the cloud and the way you work in different terminals. Number 7, more mobile. I'm losing my voice here. Sorry. More mobile. I think we'll see a lot more on the smartphone side, and I think we will see a lot more websites being designed. Being designed as mobile versions instead of only having one version catering to the normal screen sizes. So HTML5 apps and so on, and HTML mobile websites will be we'll see more of this in Web 3.0. Next generation search engines. There's been a lot of talk about this too, that the next generation search engines will be more intuitive. You will be able to type sentences into the search engine, and the search engine will be more attuned to your location and who you are, and use those as a search criteria to find search results that match your needs even more. And I'm sure there'll be a lot of new things on the search engine front in Web 3.0. So this was some of my thoughts on this Web 3.0 and how you can use it. And it's it's hard to say when Web 3.0 will hit the web, but it is sort of it is sort of a movement, a feeling. So there's really not one right answer to what Web 3.0 is. But I would love to hear your thoughts about this and your comments on this. What do you think will be? What do you think we will see in Web 3.0 as opposed to what we have now? Post your comments below, or email me, or hit me up on Facebook and Twitter. And as always, I would like to do some free website reviews. So if you have a website that you want reviewed on my YouTube channel, please feel free to go to my Facebook page, link is below, and like my Facebook page, and type in the website that you want reviewed, and I will review it and tell you what I think is good and bad, and what could be done to make it make the website better. Yeah, I look forward to seeing you. I always love the comments, and really makes me happy when you like and favorite my videos. So keep on doing that. I'll see you later. Bye.